Do you know English? But when someone asks you to speak on a simple topic, your mind suddenly goes blank. You know the words, you understand English, but you don't know how to start, how to say next, and how to finish. So, my friend, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to give you a very simple formula that will help you speak about almost any simple topic in English. And the best part, you don't need difficult vocabulary and complicated grammar. Okay, so first, start by introducing your topic. First, don't try to say something complicated. Just introduce your topic. For example, if your topic is my village, my city, you can simply say, today I want to talk about my village, my city. That's it. Okay. If your topic is my family, then say, today I want to talk about my family. If your topic is my daily routine, say, today I want to talk about my daily routine. See how easy it is. So, whenever you get a topic, your first sentence can be, today I want to talk about. That is your first sentence. Then add your topic. This gives you a comfortable start. Okay. Second, give some basic information. Okay. Now you have introduced your topic. What next? Give some basic information about it. Okay. Let's take the topic my village. Okay. So you can say, my village is a small and beautiful place. It is surrounded by green fields. There are many houses in my village. Many people here are farmers. The people in my village are very friendly. Notice something. I'm not using difficult words. I'm just describing my village using simple sentence. That's exactly what beginners should do. Okay? So don't try to impress people with difficult English words. Try to make your English clear and easy to understand. Now, third part. Add your personal experience. Okay. Now comes the most important part. If you only give information, you may run out of things to say very quickly. Okay. So start talking about your own experience. For example, I have lived in my village since my childhood. I have many good memories here. I often spend time with my family. I like the peaceful environment of my village. Whenever I feel tired, I like spending some time outside. Now your topic is becoming more interesting. And you don't need any difficult words. You simply talk about your own life. That's one of the easiest way to speak more in English. Fourth, use the 5 questions formula. Now, let me give you a very simple, useful formula. Whenever you have a topic and you don't know what to say, ask yourself these 5 questions first. What, where, who, why, how. Let's say your topic is my favorite food. Then first, what means my favorite food is pizza. Okay. Next, why means I like it because it is very tasty. Then when, I usually eat it on weekend. Then next, who, I often eat it with my friends, family. And finally, how, I usually order it online. See, you started with one sentence, but now you have 5 and 6 sentences. So whenever your mind goes blank, remember what, where, who, why, how. These questions can give you ideas to continue speaking on topic. Fifth, how to end your topic. Now let's talk about the ending. Many beginners speak for a few sentences and then suddenly stop because they don't know how to finish. So learn a few simple ending sentences. You can say, this is a little bit about my village. That's why I like my village so much. You can also say in simple way, so this is my experience. And if you are giving a speech or speaking in front of a group, you can say this also. Thank you for listening. That is simple and natural ending. Impressive also. So now let's put everything together and take the topic my daily routine and use the formula. 5 question formula. Okay, listen carefully. Today I want to talk about my daily routine. I usually wake up early in the morning. After I waking up, I brush my teeth and drink some water. Then I do some exercise. After that, I have my breakfast. I start my work in the morning and spend day working. Most of my day in working. In the evening, I usually spend more time with my family. At night, I have dinner, prepare for next day. Finally, I go to bed around 11 o'clock. This is my daily routine. Thank you for listening. That's it. Nothing complicated. Just simple sentence. Connected together. So my friend, if you are a beginner and you want to speak about any simple topic in English, remember this 5-step formula. Number 1, introduce your topic. Like today, I want to talk about something. Okay. Number 2, gives basic information. Describe the topic using the simple sentence. Like number 3, talk about your experience. Tell people about you do what you like, what you think about the topic. Number 4, ask yourself what, where, who, why, how. These questions will give you more ideas and materials. Number 5, finish with a simple conclusion. Thanks, all you need. Thanks for listening. Okay. So remember one very important thing. Don't wait until your English is perfect. Start with simple English. Make mistakes. That is normal. Learn from them. Keep speaking because fluency comes from speaking, not from waiting for perfection. So today, choose one simple topic. My family, my village, my daily routine, my hobby, my favorite food. And try to speak about it for just 1 minute. Not 5 minutes, just 1 minute. Start small, speak simple, and speak every day. That is the formula if you really want to be fluent in English. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and keep practicing.